The headline of the news is Balfour Beatty invests nearly $10 million in Microsoft AI. Okay, so I think it is perhaps part of their UK initiative here, because the subheadline says, as part of the
Hmm.
initiative, the London-based builder will pilot an artificial intelligence agent on a Scotland infrastructure project. Balfour Beatty is running a pilot of the tech on a £185 million A9 project in Scotland. It's a road improvement job where the firm is upgrading a single lane into two lanes. Wow. Constructing four new bridges and delivering new side roads together with various junction upgrades. Whew. The AI agent, which focuses on inspection and test plans, identifies common issues that include incorrect or outdated templates reaching technical experts. As a result, the agent enhances the consistency, efficiency, and quality of ITPs, according to Balfour Beatty. So, what does this deal with Microsoft and Balfour Beatty mean for construction tech AI? Who wants to go first?
I have popcorn. I'll let you guys go.
Dustin, you go.
Well, I find it fascinating that the number is so large and the commitment is so large to Microsoft's AI Copilot, where I don't know what they expect is going to be truly insightful that Microsoft's going to bring to the table, that they couldn't at least test other AI specific solutions. But what is the unique insight that Microsoft brings to construction? Now, if they had said something like it's like more to do with the international logistics and the uniqueness of Balfour Beatty, that they need a company of the global scale, that would have been one thing. But the fact that they're testing it on one project means it's more project specific. And I just expect that there could be more solutions that at least are focused on solving project problems. In general, I see a lot of companies that are paying obscene amounts of money for a brand name rather than finding the best value, which is kind of crazy, but that happens all the time. I also find it fascinating that like Balfour Beatty has like some of their tech stack is very, very outdated that the model has to even interact with. Some of their solutions are not in the cloud at all. They use a lot of desktop tools. So like, why aren't you guys working on how you're generating your own internal data? At least the US. So it seems like you're trying to leapfrog and have models interact with things, but your infrastructure isn't positioned for you to completely take advantage of that. I just can't believe the number when you're talking about signing I think it was a $7.6 million contract. I don't know how you get there.
£7.2 million, $9.6 million.
$10 million contract.
Yes.
I don't know how you get there. I just can't see it.
So I've heard from another large general contractor that Microsoft offered him a similar deal. So what Microsoft I've heard is starting to do is to go to all of their customers. And when you look at a large GC, their biggest tech spend is usually Microsoft. And then Microsoft saying, hey, we have all of your security compliance, all your data infrastructure already on Azure and our systems. For $400 to $500 per user, you can get access to Copilot. And all that means in their world is there's now a bot that will follow you around in all different instances of Microsoft that you have. That could be in Docs, that could be in Outlook, that could be in Teams, that could be in Dynamics. The customer that I talked to that was offered that was very much on the position of like, I don't see how us spending $500 to $600 per user is returning any ROI for us.